Alright, hello class. I hope you guys are doing fine this morning. Is there any questions before we start a pop quiz? Wait, what pop quiz? You never mentioned that yesterday. Alright class, everything is done for today. You can leave and get out of my freaking classroom because I hate you all. Especially that one nerd over there.
Just keep up the good work, teacher. Make sure to hand out those pop quizzes, too.
Well, I don't give two I didn't mention a pop quiz yesterday. You're taking that damn quiz right now. And don't you dare ever talk back to me, you little What did you just say to me? I said you're taking that goddamn quiz, you little Nah, you know what? Pop quiz. It's time to put you out of your misery, old man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, where'd you get that gun? How did you get that through security? Please don't shoot! Please!
Wait till the principal hears about this.